In this video, we will guide you through the process of customizing and designing your documents in Quick Receipt software to perfectly fit your business needs. Let's get started. To begin, navigate to the menu Document Settings and select the document type that you want to customize. Click on the Design option to access the document design settings. The design settings are divided into several sections, including header, header field, customer info, line item, miscellaneous, footer, paper, layout, and label. On the right side of the screen, you will find a document preview that automatically updates as you make changes. This allows you to visualize the impact of your design modifications in real time. Let's start by exploring the header section. Firstly, you have the option to include your company logo. You can upload your logo and customize its size and alignment within the header. Furthermore, you can specify your company name and address, making it easier for customers to identify your business. Additionally, you have the flexibility to adjust the font style and alignment of the header text to match your preferences. In the header field section, you can set up important details within your document, including the date, document number, and sales information. Within this section, you'll find 3 lines designated for header fields. Each line provides the flexibility to specify information in the left, center, or right position. In the Customer Info section, you can customize how customer information is presented on the document. This includes the option to include or exclude specific fields such as phone number, email, address, and VAT information. In the Line Items section, you have the option to show or hide specific columns based on your requirements. Additionally, you can adjust the column width and font style to enhance the visual presentation. Furthermore, within the Subtotal section, you can include or exclude certain fields such as discount, service, tax, and grand total. Within the Miscellaneous section, you can customize the layout and font style of the notes and amount in words. Moving on to the Footer section, you have the option to set up to 3 footers, each with its own unique font style. Furthermore, you can even include an image within the footer. Under the Paper section, you can select the paper size 58mm or 80mm, and specify the left and right margins to ensure the document fits perfectly on your paper. Since Quick Receipt software is designed for thermal paper, the document layout is structured vertically. This vertical arrangement allows you to optimize the layout to fit the dimensions of thermal paper. Within the layout settings, you can easily modify the order of fields within the document. Simply highlight a specific field and use the arrow buttons to move it up or down, thereby adjusting its position within the document. If there are certain components that are not required, you can easily remove them from the layout. Highlight the component and click the arrow button to move it to the Available Components section on the right. For example, if you don't need to include customer information on the receipt, you can remove the Customer Info component. In addition to the standard components, Quick Receipt software provides several additional layout options to enhance the appearance of your documents. These include blank, solid line, dash line, dotted line, and double line. By incorporating these elements, you can create a more stylish and well-organized document layout that suits your specific needs and preferences. Within the Label section, you have the ability to customize the document label according to your preferences. For instance, you can easily change tax to VAT if that is the terminology that is more appropriate for your specific context. After customizing the document design, make sure to click Save button at the bottom to save your changes and apply them to future documents. Congratulations! You've learned how to customize and design documents in Quick Receipt software. By following these simple steps, you can create professional and customized documents that align with your business needs. Thank you for watching.